How to clean Lexan polycarbonate sheet. To ensure that a Lexan polycarbonate sheet remains in good condition, periodic cleaning using correct procedures can help to prolong service life. In fact, a regular cleaning procedure will enhance all the desired functional properties. Ideally, there are a number of factors which determine the frequency of the cleaning process, and these may include the geographical location. Cleaning a Lexan polycarbonate sheet is such an easy process, which involves the following simple steps. Gently wash the sheet with a solution of mild soap and lukewarm water. Using a soft, grid-free cloth or sponge to loosen any dirt or grime. Then, rinse with clean water to remove residue. Dry the polycarbonate sheet with a soft cloth. Polyvantis offers both coated and uncoated Lexan polycarbonate sheet, which are chemical resistant to most cleaning fluids and oils. Our coated portfolio is graffiti and chemical resistant and has excellent cleaning performances. Masking tape and adhesive tape work well for lifting off old, weathered paints. The graffiti is easy to remove with a simple strip of tape. Use butyl cello solve with a clean, soft cloth to remove paints, marking pen inks, and lipstick. Afterwards, wash the sheet using mild soap and lukewarm water. Then rinse with clean water to remove residue and dry with a soft cloth.